Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geography Grow. This is the third episode of class 10th Geography chapter number 1 Resources and Development. Before moving forward, let's recapitulate what we have done so far in this chapter. In the first episode, that was the introductory episode, we discussed about the resources. What is resource? Resource means everything that is usable to us, everything that can satisfy our needs can be termed as resources. It means that everything available at our school or at our home is resource. Then we discussed that resource broadly can be classified into three categories: natural resources, man-made resources, and third one, human resources, the most important one. In the second episode, we discussed about the classification of the resources. Resources can be classified into various categories on the various bases. On the basis of origin, we can classify into first one is the biotic resources and second one abiotic resources. Then on the basis of renewability, we can classify the resources into two groups: renewable and non-renewable resources. Then the third base was that on the basis of ownership. On the basis of the ownership, we can classify the resources into four categories: individual or the private resources, second one community resources, third one national resources, and fourth one international resources such as open oceans. In the end, we discuss or we classify the resources on the basis of status of development. कितने विकसित हैं, कोई भी रिसोर्सेज है वो कितना विकसित, किस हद तक हम उसको यूज करें उस बेस पे, मीन्स स्टेटस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. ऑन द स्टेटस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट, resources can be classified into four groups. First one, resources that we discussed: potential resources, developed resources, stock resources, and fourth one is the reserve resources. In the third episode, today we are going to discuss some of the very important terms that can be asked for the short answer type questions. We are going to discuss about the sustainable development, then Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit, and in the end we will discuss about the Agenda 21. Let's start today's episode. Development of the resources. Resources are vital for human survival. These are not only important for our development but for our survival too, such as the water, air, and soil. These are also resources and we can't survive without them. And these resources are also very important for our economic development too, because we perform all the economic activities using these resources. But due to the overutilization of these resources, that it was believed that resources are the free gifts of nature, as it was considered earlier that these are free of cost and these cannot be imperished, ये ख़त्म नहीं हो सकते, ऐसा सोचा जाता था. So we overutilize them, and due to their use, indiscriminately use or overutilization, this has led to the many problems. कई सारी problems create हो गई है, किसके कारण? Due to our greed, हमारे लालच के कारण, due to the overutilization के कारण, due to overuse of these resources, such as it has led to the global ecological crisis, such as the global warming. Global warming means the temperature of the world is increasing, that is increasing at a slow pace, but that too is a problem, that too is a threat not only for the human beings but for the all the flora and fauna on this earth. Ozone layer depletion. As you know that ozone layer, we can say that ozone hole has been seen over the Antarctica, and the main cause of use of the CFC gases, chlorofluorocarbon gases, that we use in the air conditioners and in refrigerator. Environmental pollution, that too is a big problem, and land degradation. We are going to discuss about the environmental pollution and land degradation too in this chapter. So these are the problems caused by the overutilization of these resources. Now the time is not to discuss about the development. Now the time to discuss about the sustainable development. Let's discuss what is this sustainable development. So sustainable development is the new terms, and now the focus of all the countries and focus of the UNO is on the sustainable development. Sustainable development means the development without damaging the environment and also taking care of the future generation. So sustainable development that covers the three important terms. First, without damaging the environment, development without damaging the environment. Second, taking care of the future generation. Third term, equal development of all. For example, if there is a construction of roads in your colony and lots of trees we have to cut down, so this is development, but this is not sustainable development because we are harming the environment. So sustainable development means without development that takes place without harming the environment, without damaging the environment. Second, we should take care of the future generation also. All the resources are inherited from our forefathers, हमने उधार लिए हैं और इसको हमें हैंड ओवर करना है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को. तो अगर हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन का ध्यान नहीं रख रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट और थर्ड फीचर ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इज डेवलपमेंट फॉर ऑल, equal development of all. If we are constructing the dam anywhere, but it is not beneficial for all the people are not getting the benefit from that one, so that is a development, but this is not sustainable development. So it is very important terms you have done in economics too. What is sustainable development? Again we are recapitulating. Sustainable development means a development without damaging the environment, development that take care of the future generation, development that is equal for all. So sustainable development is the development in which the current growth rate is to be kept in mind for future generation too and without harming the environment. So this is sustainable development. So resources should be used for development, but we need to go with the sustainable development, not only for the development. Next, what is the Agenda 21? एजेंडा 21 क्या है? एक ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म है, दैट इज ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, उसी से ही साथ में जुड़ा हुआ. एजेंडा 21 इज यूनाइटेड नेशंस प्लान रिगार्डिंग द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. ये यूएन का प्लान है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के लिए. वाई इट इज नोन एज एजेंडा 21? बिकॉज इट इंक्लूड्स 21 इश्यूज. दिस वॉज अडोप्टेड इन 1992 in first Earth Summit that was held at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. It includes 21 issues, common issues such as the population control, pollution, poverty, sustainable development, equitable development, etc. So what is Agenda 21? Is the United Nations plan for what? Regarding the sustainable development. Okay, it includes 21 issues. It was adopted in the first Earth Summit that was held at Rio de Janeiro in June 1992, and some of the examples that are the part of the Agenda 21 are the population control, poverty, pollution, sustainable development, equal development, etc. are the part of this Agenda 21. Okay, so third topic that we are going to discuss, what is that Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit? Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit. Earth Summit means that was the Prithvi Sammelan, means the people or the head of the countries that gathered there to discuss about the issues of the entire earth. And it is known as the Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit because it was held at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Rio de Janeiro, here is the Brasilia, capital of Brazil, and here is the Rio de Janeiro. In 2016, Olympic Games were held at Rio de Janeiro. That was popularly known as the Rio Olympics. So what is that Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit? In 1992, June 1992, leaders of more than 100 countries attended the first International Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. In this summit, world-level problems of ecological conservation, socio-economic development such as the population control, poverty, pollution, unequal development of the world, etc. were discussed in that Earth Summit. The main objective was that each country should prepare its own Agenda 21 to achieve sustainable development. Means the first Earth Summit was held at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. It was held in 1992, June 1992. For what? It was the main focus of that summit was to discuss the issues of the world such as the population, such as the pollution, etc. were the main issues that were discussed at that time. And other objectives of the summit were achieving global sustainable development in the 21st century, conservation of the biological diversity, elimination of the disease with the help of the shared welfare requirements and obligation among the various nations, and to prevent poverty and environmental damage, etc. We can say that the objective need not to write what I have given in the notes. You can simply write that the objective of the summit to discuss the global issues, and then you can give the examples such as the population control, pollutions, land degradation, unemployment, poverty, etc. Okay, so this was the Earth Summit that was held in 1992. So 3 topics we discussed today. We discussed about the what is sustainable development. Second thing we discussed what is Agenda 21, and third topic we discussed about what was the first Earth Summit. Okay, so that's all for this session. In the next session we are going to discuss about the resource planning. Bye bye. Have a nice day.